Processivity of replication begins with the separation of the old strands. That is, the parent DNA is separated into two single-stranded copies. The complementary strands are then added to each. That is, the new daughter molecule is added to the original parent strand. The process is called semi-conservative. What does this mean? So you can imagine that there were a couple of different options for how replication could have proceeded. Semi-conservative is the possibility that the two parental DNA copies end up paired with the two daughter molecules that are eventually created. You can imagine a situation where the parental DNA stays in the parental DNA and the daughter molecules end up paired together. But in semi-conservative replication, you end up with one daughter copy and one parent copy after replication. So it is semi-conservative. The process of replication occurs at the replication fork. It involves the synthesis of the new DNA strands.